Welcome to our educational video on understanding the various types of program evaluation. Program evaluation plays a crucial role in assessing the effectiveness of projects and initiatives. Let's begin with formative evaluation, which focuses on improving programs during their development. Summative evaluation, on the other hand, assesses the overall impact and outcomes of a program. Process evaluation focuses on monitoring and documenting program implementation. Outcome evaluation measures the immediate effects of a program on its target population. Impact evaluation assesses the long-term effects and broader societal changes resulting from a program. Cost-effectiveness and cost-benefit evaluation analyze the financial aspects of a program's outcomes. Developmental evaluation is used in complex and dynamic environments to support innovation and adaptation. Utilization-focused evaluation emphasizes the use of evaluation findings for decision-making and program improvement. Finally, meta-evaluation examines the quality and relevance of evaluation studies themselves. By understanding these different types of program evaluation, you can make informed decisions for your projects. Dr. Philip Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.